Let's figure out the velocities for our energy ride, okay? And on this one, I'm gonna do adrenaline peak just because we have a really good distance reference for that. We also know some of the heights, like we know the height of this first lift there. We're gonna look it up here in a second. We know the height here, right? We know the height there. Well, we sort of do, right? We think we do. All right, so the first thing to do, though, is to figure out a distance reference. And that, by the way, the height of that first drop is 22.8 meters. Okay. And the distance reference I'm going to use is just this car. From the front to the back is 2.76 meters. Okay. We actually have measured that with a tape measure. So what I want to do is run, I want to run the video analysis app. And then choose a file, and let's do I'm going to do the first drop just for kicks, okay? There it is. All right, and then let's make this screen nice and big. There we go. It's not getting any bigger now, right? And then let's get these guys right there. Okay. And I'm going to say, I forgot my distance reference, 2.76. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go into the system and I'm going to tell it that that's 2.76 meters. Hello. And this is sort of hypothetical, right? Because I don't really have a side view. Okay, 2 meters. Okay, and then I think, I think every one frame is probably good. I don't even know. They're probably going pretty lickety-split here, so let's just see. I think every frame is probably what I want to do. Okay, so let's go in here. And I want to get the velocity just as they go through here. Okay. So I think I'll use the back edge of that to get the velocity. And we just need a few points here, so I'm going to click on it. One last click, just a few clicks, right? And this was an X motion here, right? We're moving in the X direction. So I don't really care about my Y. To turn off the Y, there's my X. And notice that, you just see that I'm moving from, I guess, right to left or something. So what I'm going to do is just select all these points. And in this case, I actually want a linear fit, okay? So choose the linear one, right? And then apply it. And there you go. You can see that the somebody's here. You can see that the slope is 5.464. Well, the slope of velocity or of position is velocity. So that literally is my velocity. Okay, is 5.464, and that's what I got for that. Okay. Now let me just show another one here. Okay. So we'll go there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. Good enough. Okay. And let's open this up. There's probably a way to just load another video, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, and then I'm going to do the second inversion. Okay, and this one I think we got a little better shot of the car as it goes through. There it is. Okay, so what is that distance? From there to there is 2.76 meters. Okay, so let's go in here. From the front to the back, that's 2.76 meters. And I think it's probably good. I'm not going to change it to every 2. And I'm going to get them from there to there. What'll I do? I think I'll click on that little nosy thing there. Okay, just kind of, maybe I'll click right like that. There's that, and there's that. There's that, and there's that. And that's probably enough clicks, right? And then let's take a look at this. You want to make this as big as possible. I don't care in this case about the Y. I only want to look at the X, and there goes my X. Ooh, that looks like a nice straight line. So I'm going to, whoops, I guess I'm going to drag that. Let's see if I can select all these. And then I'm going to say curve fit. And it's going to suggest linear, which is what you want. And let's apply it. And there it is, right? You can see that the velocity, that slope is actually the velocity. You don't need to do anything to it. It's going 7.58 meters per second at that point. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. I'm just gonna keep going here. I wonder if I can go back. Can I do a new one? New experiment. Okay. Hey, don't save. Okay, choose file. Oh, look at this. Last banked corner. Let's look at that. There it is. And let's find them going by. Woo, here they come. Okay, and again, that distance is 2.76 meters. .76 meters. And then I think I'm ready to go here. There they are. So I'm just going to click on the front of this. And I'm going to do every frame because I think that's probably good. Right on that corner there. This is highly approximate. Okay, that's probably enough points. Notice that this is X, so we don't care really about the Y. Let's turn off the Y. And let's select these guys. Nope, don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to go curve fit. And linear is what we want, okay? So just make sure it's linear. And there we go. You can see how fast they're going. That's the speed that they're going at that point, okay? That's pretty fast. That's like 20 miles an hour through that curve. I'm suspicious of that. All right, good enough. That's all I'm going to say here.